I'm not a big fan of egusi soup, but you see this particular method, this frying method, it's a game changer. It will make me eat egusi over and over again with pounded yam sha. First thing I did was to season the goat meat with salt, seasoning, fresh pepper, and Cameroon pepper, and I let that cook for some time before I added water and I put in the washed stockfish. So because the goat meat is tough and then stockfish would also take some time to cook, that was why I put it in at that point so that everything can cook together and be soft. To be honest, for egusi soup, I prefer to use bitter leaf, but on this day, I decided to just use ugu leaves. So here I just plucked it and tried to slice it as thinly as possible. To be honest, I tried. I didn't do a very fine job, but yeah, I used it like that. So this is the egusi I have. This was like 300 grams of egusi. I just put it in a plate. I put in some water and mixed it. So basically what you want to do is form a paste with the egusi and water mix. So this is the consistency. You don't want it to be watery. At this point, the meat and stockfish had fully softened, so I just put that in a bowl and set aside. And back in the pot, I put in palm oil. It was at this point that I realized that I had actually put in so much palm oil. But we moved. So immediately after I put the palm oil, I didn't wait for it to get hot. I put in the egusi and I fried it until it looked like this. I also added crayfish at some point and fried it for like 2 extra minutes. Then I put in the meat and the stock, put in a bit more crayfish, put in a bit more seasoning. So with frying the egusi, you want to make sure that you fry it until it looks like so on the screen right now. After I'd added in the stock and adjusted the seasoning, I put in the ugu leaves and I just let it cook for like 5 extra minutes and it was ready to be eaten. This soup tasted so good. The only thing was that I actually used a lot of palm oil, hence while the palm oil was floating on top, but this was absolutely delicious. Let me know if you've ever tried frying egusi or if you would try it. I recommend this. You should try it. It's very, very nice. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.